Hello students, welcome back. Now in this video we will discuss the part of coordinate geometry, that is the concept of the slope of the line. So let's start. Now students, let's discuss the concept of slope. You know that whenever we are considering x-axis and y-axis, that means we are dealing with the coordinate geometry. Now in this, when I consider any of the line like this, suppose this is my line AB, it makes an angle with the positive direction of x-axis, that is an anti-clockwise movement. It is in the first quadrant. Based on this theta, that's an inclination, we can easily find out the slope of the line AB. For that, we have to consider the angle made by this line with the positive direction of x-axis. You know, you have done the trigonometry. Tangent of this angle will give you the slope. Means slope will be equal to tan theta. Slope is generally indicated by small m. So your m will be equals to tan theta. Based on this inclination, we can easily calculate the slope ranging from 0 degree to 90 degree. So based on your 10th standard, you have to consider only these values. 0 degree, you know it is 0. 30 degree, you know its value is 1 by root 3. 45 degree, that is 1. 60 degree, that's root 3. But when you consider theta as 90 degree, you cannot define its slope because 90 cannot be defined. Student, let's solve the sum based on that. Angles made by the line with positive direction of x-axis are given. You are asked to find the slope. Now in the first one, inclination is given 45 degree. And you know, now only you have done that slope is equals to tan theta. I told slope can be indicated by m. You can substitute the value of theta as 45 degree. You know tan 45 degree is 1. So slope in this case is 1. Same way we can solve this. Here your theta is 90 degree. Same way, first you have to write the formula. Your slope is tan theta. So your m is equals to tan 90 degree. You know that tan 90 degree cannot be defined. So you can't define the slope. Now student, if the inclination with the positive direction of x-axis is not given, instead of that, if the coordinates of the 2 points on that line is given, for example ABC I have drawn, suppose the coordinates of A are x1, y1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2, how to find out slope in this case? Then slope will be equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. For example, if my A is minus 2 minus 3 and the B coordinates are suppose 4 comma 5, then I can consider this as x1 y1. I can consider this as x2 y2 then I can utilize this formula to calculate the slope of this line. So again, I'm not writing the formula. Now slope equals to your y2 is 5 minus 3 will give you directly plus 3 upon 4 minus 2 will be plus 2. So this will be 8 by 6. When you reduce this, it will be 4 by 3. So when coordinates of any 2 points on the line are given, you can easily calculate the slope using this formula. Now, determine whether the following points are collinear or not. We will apply the slope of concept here. So first of all, I am considering P and Q points. So this is my x1, y1. This is my x2, y2. First, we will find out the slope of PQ. Formula, what we have done, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now let's complete this. Minus 3 minus 5 will give you the plus 5 upon 1 minus 2. So this will give you 2 upon minus 1. So your slope is minus 2. Now same way you have to now calculate either the slope of QR or the slope of PR. Suppose I am considering Q and R point. Now this is my x1, y1 and this is my x2, y2. Same way we have to find out the slope of QR. Same formula we have to apply. That is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now just see 3 minus plus, yes, minus 2 minus 1. This is 6 upon minus 3. So you got minus 2. Both the side slope is same. So since slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR, based on that you can conclude therefore P, Q and R are collinear points. So if you are getting the any two slopes, you have to find. If you are getting both the slopes equal, lines are the points are collinear. But if slopes are different, then points are not collinear. Now let's solve this sum. Find k if r 1 comma minus 1 s minus 2 comma k and the slope of the line rs is minus 2. So what we will do, first we will consider these both the points and this is my x1 y1, this is my x2 y2. Now find out the slope of RS. You know the formula whenever two coordinates are given. It is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it will be k plus 1 upon minus 2 minus 1. So this will be k plus 1 upon minus 3. But slope is given here minus 2. So therefore your k plus 1 upon minus 3 will be equal to this minus 2. Therefore your k plus 1, when you multiply these both, what you'll get? 6. So your k will be 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So you will get the value of k as 5. Students, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, comment or mail. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.